Hello kids! Good morning or good afternoon. It's me again, Teacher Tina, and today is Science 5. So before we start, please get your workbook and textbook. For workbook, page 92. For textbook, page 135 and 136. Again, workbook, page 92. Textbook 135 and 136. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. So today our topic is about 4 main kinds of clouds. Again, 4 main kinds of clouds. So this is clouds. So number 1 is cirrus cloud. Again, cirrus cloud. Number 2 is stratus cloud. Again, stratus cloud. Number 3 is cumulus clouds. And number 4, cumulonimbus clouds. Again, cumulonimbus clouds. Again, 4 main kinds of clouds. Number 1, cirrus clouds. Again, cirrus clouds. Number 2, stratus clouds. Number 3, cumulus clouds. And number 4, cumulonimbus clouds. That are the 4 main kinds of clouds. So these are clouds are part of the water cycle. Again, clouds are part of the water cycle. So, clouds, the formation of clouds needs aerosol. Again, the formation of clouds needs aerosol. So, aerosols are tiny particles suspending in the air. Again, aerosols are tiny particles suspending in the air. Example of aerosols is salt, dust, and pollen. Again, example of aerosols is salt, dust, and pollen. That are the 3 examples of aerosols. Again, what is aerosol? Aerosols are tiny particles suspending in the air. And the 3 examples of aerosols is salt, dust, and pollen. That are the 3 examples of aerosol. So water vapor condenses on the surfaces of the aerosols and becomes water droplets. Each water droplet has an aerosol as its core particle. So this is water droplets. This is the water droplets, and inside of the water droplets is salt. This is salt. So how are the clouds formed? When water vapor rises and mixes with the aerosol in the air, the water vapor condenses on the surface of the aerosols and they become large water droplets. Eventually, these large water droplets will burst into many smaller droplets to form clouds. Each of the water droplets have an aerosol as its core particle. So this is water droplets. Inside of the water droplets is salt. So this is example of aerosol. Salt. So this is the 4 main kinds of clouds. So number 1 is cirrus cloud. So this is the kinds of clouds of cirrus cloud. So this is cirrus cloud. This is white in color and curly. Looks like silk. So this looks like silk. cirrus clouds. So cirrus clouds are white, they are curly and have feathery looks. The sun can shine through them. Number 2, stratus cloud. Again, stratus cloud. This cloud forms a layer stretching across the sky. Again, forms a layer stretching across the sky. So these kinds of clouds is stratus cloud forms layers stretching across the sky. They often cover the whole sky. Again, cover the whole sky, giving a dull gray day. Sometimes light drizzle falls out of these clouds. So this kinds of clouds is cover the whole sky. So this is clouds because cover the whole sky. This is stratus clouds. Next, number 3 is cumulus cloud. This is cumulus cloud. So this is thick and puffy. So number 2 has flat bottom. So again, thick and puffy. Number 2 has flat bottom. So this is cumulus clouds. So cumulus clouds are thick and puffy. Most of these clouds have flat bottoms. The top of the cloud is round. They are shaped like a hill. So this is cumulus clouds. And number 4 is cumulonimbus clouds. Again, cumulonimbus clouds. So this cloud is dark clouds, then can bring storms and heavy rainfall. Again, this is dark clouds, can bring storms and heavy rainfall. So cumulonimbus clouds, the cumulonimbus clouds can sometimes turn into dark clouds called cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds bring heavy rainfall. Again, cumulonimbus cloud sometimes turn into dark clouds and bring heavy rainfall. So that is cumulonimbus clouds. Again, and the 4th clouds is cirrus clouds. Number 2, stratus clouds. Number 3, cumulus clouds. And number 4, cumulonimbus clouds. Again, the formation of clouds needs aerosol. So what is aerosol? Aerosols are tiny particles suspending in the air. So what are the example of aerosol? So aerosol example is salt, dust, and pollen. That are the 3 example of aerosol. Again, number 1, this is cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are white. They are curly and have feathery look. Number 2 is stratus cloud. This stratus cloud forms layers stretching across the sky. They often cover the whole sky. Again, cover the whole sky. This is all clouds. Next, number 3 is cumulus clouds. Again, cumulus clouds. So this is thick and puffy, has flat bottom. So cumulus clouds are thick and puffy. Most of these clouds have flat bottoms. The top of the cloud is round. They are shaped like a hill. So this is cumulus clouds. And next is cumulonimbus clouds. So this is dark clouds can bring storms and heavy rainfall. So cumulonimbus cloud sometimes turn into dark clouds. So dark clouds and can bring heavy rainfall. So that are the 4 main of clouds. Again, that are the 4 main kinds of clouds. So I hope you understand our topic for today. Please open your workbook, page 96, 97, 100, and 101. So, page 96 is, there are some types of clouds with different shapes, so much. So, this is they are white in color and have feathery look. They are dark and dense. They are also related with heavy rain and thunderstorm. They are large, heavy-looking gray clouds that cover the sky. And they are thick and puffy. They look like puffs of cotton. So, stratus clouds, cumulus cloud, cumulonimbus clouds, cirrus clouds. Much. Next is this is page number 97. So, the formation of cloud needs aerosols. So, the question is, what are aerosols? So, what is aerosol? So, again, aerosols are tiny particles suspending in the air. Next. Give 2 examples of aerosol. Only 2 examples. And letter C, what is the function of aerosol in the formation of clouds? This is the answer. Aerosol provides surfaces for condensation of water vapor into water droplets. Next is page 100. So, what happens when the water from the river ends evaporates? So, the water turns into water vapor and rises. Letter B. How are clouds formed? This is the answer. The water vapor condenses on the surfaces of aerosols to form large water droplets. The large water droplets burst into small water droplets to form clouds. Letter C. Why does rain fall from dark clouds? This is the answer. The dark clouds get too heavy as there are a lot of water droplets. The water droplets fall as rain. And last, 101. The diagram below shows 3 types of clouds. So, name them. What is this? What is this? What is this? Write the name of clouds. So, I hope you understand our topic for today. Thank you and goodbye.